In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a PDF in Adobe Scan. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is open the Adobe Scan app, and then you want to create your PDF document. So I'm going to go to the Home tab and then tap at the bottom middle where you can see the camera plus icon. So tap on that. And here, of course, you can create from photos or you can scan with your camera. I'm going to create from photos right now. And of course, it's up to you whichever one you take. And I'm going to select this one, this image over here, which I've taken for the example over here. Then press the check mark top right, and there we go. It's going to kind of give you your PDF file, which of course you can then crop if you want to. As you can see, as I'm doing here on my screen right now, I'm going to crop it because that's the main part over here. It's just a screenshot, and you can then rotate, you can use filters, etc. at the bottom. Now, whenever you do that, up top you have the option to actually rename it. So I'm just going to rename this tutorial like this and press rename. Whenever you do that, at the bottom right you have the option to save the PDF. So just click on save PDF bottom right or tap on it, wait for a few seconds, and it's going to save as a PDF document just like this. Now, if you go to files, you'll be able to find it in here, or on the home tab it's also going to show up over here. Okay, then you have a few different options to save this PDF. So you could save it as a JPEG, so I can tap on there, and as you can see, it's going to save it as a JPEG. There we go, it says it's been saved to your photos. Or you could tap on the more button, and then if you basically scroll down, you have different export options, or up top you have the option to copy to either device or Google Drive. So if I tap on copy to device over here, for example, and then tap on save, that's going to save it to my device as well. Okay, so that's how to save a PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.